So I have these awesome emergency lights from Neporal that was sent out to me to try out, and these are the A19 12-watt LED, and this is the 4-bulb pack. They actually have a larger and a smaller bulb pack that you can get if you don't need 4 bulbs. They're E26 or 27, basically a standard connection size. Like I said, this is the 4 bulb set. So you got your nice 4 bulbs wrapped very nicely. They do not have an external charger on them because they will be charged, the internal battery will be charged on these guys while they are actually in use. Once you plug them or you put them in a light fixture and plug them in the wall, they will actually charge up. And of course they put these caps on the end so they don't short out, because shorting them out will allow the light to come on. Not only that, but they also come with 4 of these nice little hangers so that you can use them without an actual light fixture. And so if you tap on this, this closes the circuit, which allows the light to come on. They can be used in a number of different ways. You want to plug them in and fully charge them for storing. And again, they can be used in a number of different ways. You can use them with this included hook. You can use them with a light fixture plugged in or not plugged in. And if you use them in a light fixture, you want to make sure they are sitting on a closed circuit, and the instructions, included instructions, actually tell you how to do that. And then if you do have a power outage, you're going to want to make sure you turn off the circuit that this is actually sitting on so these lights will function as normal. Really nice set for emergencies, especially as we, of course, here in Northern Virginia start to go into the hurricane season. Well, as the weather gets a little rough, sometimes we'll have power outages, whether that be for that reason or any other. We could have some power outages, and it's really nice to have a nice set of emergency bulbs. These will give you about 3 to 5 hours of light per bulb. So again, just a great package and a great peace of mind so that you can make sure that you have lights when you need them.